Hey everyone, Brian here. Today we're taking a look at the Baseus SuperMini Pro Series wireless car inflator. In this video we're going to unbox this little gadget, check out what's inside and put it to the test. I'll show you how it works on a real tire, talk about its pros and cons, and give you my honest thoughts on whether it's worth picking up. So if you've been curious about these portable inflators, stick around. Let's dive into the unboxing and see what we've got. Alright, let's quickly run through what we've got here with this Baseus inflator. It's wireless, so no need for cords or car outlets. There's a digital display for pressure readings. Baseus says it works on cars, bikes and even sports balls. It's got an auto stop feature and a built-in LED light. Pretty compact size as you can see. Now, I haven't used this before, so we'll be testing it out together. Let's see how it actually performs on a real tire. In my test, it took about 3 minutes and 20 seconds to inflate from 24 psi to 40 psi. That's pretty good for a portable device. But here's the catch. That single inflation used up about 25% of the battery. That's a significant chunk. After putting the Baseus SuperMini Pro through its paces, here's what I found. What I liked is that it's very portable and easy to store in the car. It's also pretty versatile. You can use it for various inflatables, which is handy. The inflation speed is decent as we saw in the demo, and it's got a long standby time which is great for emergencies. I also appreciated the clear digital display for easy pressure monitoring. On the flip side, there are a few things that could be better. It's quite noisy, especially when you're using it indoors. The charging time is pretty long, we're talking over 4 hours, and once it's charged you only get about 15-20 minutes of use time, which isn't a lot. I also noticed it heats up quite a bit during operation, which is something to keep in mind. So here are my final thoughts. The Baseus SuperMini Pro is a handy tool for occasional use and emergencies. It's great to keep in your car for peace of mind. However, if you need something for frequent or heavy-duty use, you might want to look at more powerful options. For its portability and features, it's a solid choice. Just be aware of its limitations, especially when it comes to battery life and noise level.